Hello everyone. Today we're going to guide you through planning your website, creating your first gallery page, and uploading your own images. To keep things organized, it's helpful to start with a simple plan for your website structure. We've also pre-selected the photos we'll use in this demonstration, and we recommend you prepare your images as well. Let's begin by creating a new page. Click Create, choose the blank page, and we'll name our page Chromatic Pulse. We'll keep the menu option enabled, then click Create Page. Now let's add a gallery section. Click Add Section, select Gallery, and choose the dynamic grid layout. To replace the sample images, click Edit Image, then Change Content. Remove the sample image and select the photos you want to upload from your computer. You can upload up to 100 files at a time with a maximum size of 24 megabytes each. When your images are selected, press Enter or click Done. Portfoliobox also lets you reuse content quickly. To duplicate a page, click Create and choose Reuse a Page. For this example, we'll create a new page from a sample template instead. Select the sample gallery page. We'll name it Still Form and click Create Page. This time, we'll choose to upload our own images, select our files, and click Done. Our new gallery is now ready. In our next video, we'll show you how to style your gallery and customize the look of your website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned.